Okay, let's talk a little bit about Google Sheets. Now you can get to it just by typing www.google.com/sheets/about. I'm guessing you know you need the about. Probably that Sheets would take you there. Okay, it does. This is our starting page for Google Sheets. And if I click this blank, that'll create a blank spreadsheet. And I'm going to increase the size of this. So I'm going to come up here to the zoom, make it 150 so you can see a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to be typing numbers in here, so I just want you to get used to that. So if I type 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter, 6, enter, 7, 8, 9, 10. You just keep pressing enter after each one, or you can do a tab. If I did a tab here, it'd go over to the right. So to change a number, you just click up in there and type your new number in, like that. You don't have to save this if you don't want. If you wish to, then you see up here it says Untitled Spreadsheet. You can give it a more meaningful name. Stats Chapter 1, for example. Anyway, if you wanted to use that to maybe refer to. Now these cells here have naming goes along with them. This is the intersection of A and 1, so this would be A1. This last number here, this is at the intersection of A and 8, so this would be A8. This comes in if you want to do different formulas. You need to refer to those. For example, if I want to square these, I come over to my cell B1 and I'll do an equals. If I type A1 times A1, do have to have the equals there. That will be squaring it. 3 times 3 gives us 9. And I press enter. Now, a nice part about the spreadsheet is if I click B1 now, you notice in the bottom right hand corner there's a little square. If I put my mouse over, it becomes a black plus. And if I click and hold down my left mouse button and drag down, that'll fill those in. And it'll adjust the formula based upon what row it's in. Notice here 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Now if I click this, up here in your formula, you see you got equals A8 times A8. So again, automatically adjust for whichever row it's on. That's a nice feature of these packages. Beyond that, you don't have to actually save. It automatically saves every few seconds. Maybe anytime you make a change, it saves. I'm not sure about that, but definitely it'll save within a second or two. To go back to your main page, if I click this little green spreadsheet looking icon, it takes me back here, and you see I now have a Stats Chapter 1. Given a name like that's nice if you want to go back and refer to it, because again, to go back, like Stats Chapter 1, I click that, and that'd bring up my old spreadsheet. That's kind of the basics just to get you started with working with Google Sheets spreadsheet.